Hey everyone, today we're diving into IKEA's branding playbook. This Swedish giant isn't just selling furniture, they're selling you an experience. So let's dissect their strategy and see how you can apply it to your own small business. First of all, IKEA really nails their visual consistency. That blue and yellow, it's not just colors, it's their brand DNA. It's simple, it's bold, and is everywhere. So your takeaway? Develop a clean, minimal aesthetic and really stick to it religiously. Every touch point should scream your brand. Another tip we get from IKEA is experience is everything. IKEA doesn't have stores, they have labyrinths of inspiration. They guide you through a journey, a maze if you will, to show you how their products really fit into your everyday life. So for example, you can really imagine yourself in this kitchen, doing the dishes, making dinner, putting stuff away, and it's genius. So how can you create a similar journey for your customers, whether it's online or in person? Another tip we get from IKEA is that they tell stories and they sell dreams. So IKEA doesn't just sell furniture, they sell better living. Their ads aren't about products, they're about life moments. And that is the power of emotional storytelling. So think about how your brand can tap into the everyday lives of your customers and really use that to really draw your clients into your brand. Another tip we get from IKEA about branding is to think global but act local. And here's what I mean. So IKEA is a global brand with a local flavor. In Tampa, for example, they've got Cholula hot sauce because that's what the locals love. It's these small little touches that really make a big difference. Another tip is to embrace the digital revolution. So as you know, IKEA is not stuck in the analog world. They've got an app that you can use on your phone. And if you're in the store, you can also use their digital platform to really plan your space out and really help you shop. And it's really about making the customer journey seamless. So think about, are you leveraging technology to really enhance your customer experience? Another tip is to make it personal. IKEA doesn't just want customers, they want co-creators. They encourage you to hack their products to make them your own, and it's brilliant. So how can you involve your clients in your brand story? So remember, branding isn't just about logos and colors, it's about creating an experience, telling a story, and building a relationship with your customers. And that's how IKEA does it. And guess what? That's how you can do it too. Now get out there and build your own brand empire. And if you want more tips on how to grow your small business online, please subscribe and stay tuned.